welcome to the Emmylou Loves VIP House Night. I'm here with my crew, can we give it up? And we're about to cook up a storm. Merry Christmas, everybody. So I kind of wanted to show trifles just done easy. So mud cake, I'm gonna get a little messy now. Breaking it up, some kirsch, which is cherry liqueur, because it is really beautiful. We have got some cherries that are going in. I've already drained these, but you're getting a little bit more of the juice in that. And then I'm actually gonna get this Swiss roll that's a little bit decadent. You don't have to do this. There we go. A little pop of red on the sides there. So I'm actually just grouping these guys up because that's what trifle's all about, is just having those little amazing layers. So we've got 250 grams of mascarpone and whipped cream goes in. And then we've got custard going in as well. About 500 grams, probably about 400 actually. So I'm just gonna mix this through. I'm just folding it through. This is going on top. Some toasted almond flakes to go on top just because it looks gorgeous. Let's go in with some chocolate curls and then just a little bit of cherry on top. And there you go. That is a gorgeous, easy chocolate trifle. How cool is that?